Our way of naming centuries is awful and needs fixing. The biggest problem comes from how there's no year zero, as zero didn't exist when the Anno Domini system was introduced. If we start counting each set of 100 years starting from 1 AD, then technically the 20th century wasn't 1900 to 1999 and was instead 1901 to 2000. This is just horrible. Centuries should be defined nicely, like decades are. A common solution is to refer to 1901 to 2000 as the 20th century, and 1900 to 1999 as the 1900s. The problem with this is that it isn't specific. The 1900s can refer to 1900 to 1999, but it can also mean just 1900 to 1909. Same goes with the 1800s, 1700s, and so on. It gets even worse with this century, as the 2000s could theoretically describe 2000 to 2009, 2000 to 2099, or 2000 to 2999. This just won't do. We need a way to specifically and accurately describe each 00 to 99 period. We could refer to 2000 to 2999 as the 2000s, 2000 to 2099 as the 2000s, and 2000 to 2009 as the 2000s, and do the same for last century. The issue here is that they'd still all be written the same, even if they're said differently. My solution is this: the starting year of a century followed by a specific suffix. For instance, 1900th century could refer to 1900 to 1999, and 2000th century could refer to 2000 to 2099. Let's also add a millennium suffix whilst we're at it, as they have the exact same problem. 1000 millennium would be 1000 to 1999, and 2000 millennium would be 2000 to 2999. We could also have a decade suffix, although there's less need for that. Century and millennium may not be the best suffix, but you get the idea. How would you fix this problem? Tell me in the comments below.